In today's video, I'll show you how to use Looker Studio with BigQuery to create powerful data visualizations from large datasets. Start by opening your web browser, searching for Looker Studio, and logging into your account. Once you're inside, click the Create button and choose Data Source. From the list of connectors, select BigQuery. Now you will be asked how you want to connect your data. You can either connect directly to a BigQuery table or view, or use a custom SQL query. If you choose a table or view, browse your BigQuery project, select the dataset, and then choose the table you want to use. Next, you'll need to select a billing project. This is important because BigQuery charges are tied to the project used for running queries. Pick the appropriate billing project and continue. If you're using a custom query instead, enter your billing project ID and paste your SQL query into the editor. This gives you full control over how your data is structured before it reaches Looker Studio. Once everything is set, click Connect. Your BigQuery fields will now appear inside Looker Studio. From here, you can drag and drop dimensions and metrics onto the canvas to build charts, tables, and dashboards. And that's it. You've successfully connected BigQuery to Looker Studio and can now visualize large-scale data with ease.